You're here because you're interested in photography. You're probably a beginner and you probably use the automatic settings on your camera most of the time. Am I right? Well, this is the perfect class for you. In this photography fundamentals class, we go over all of the basic settings and rules that will get you going as a photographer. So if you take photos that end up being too dark, too bright, blurry, they're not composed well, you're wondering, why does a professional photo just always look better than mine? Well, you need to understand the basics, things like aperture, shutter speed, ISO, white balance, and the basic rules of composition. These are all things we're going to be covering inside this course. Whether you just got a brand new camera or you have an old one that's collecting dust, whether it's a DSLR, a mirrorless, a point and shoot, a smartphone, or anywhere in between, this is the perfect class to get started with. All of the settings and rules we cover will help you take better photos, and it takes less than an hour to learn it all. So enroll now, it's completely free, there's no reason to hesitate, and I can't wait to see you inside.